Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. You have issues. For example, you have created your work like this, and now you need to change. You need to change this text to change the color of this text. For example, how to? You only need to change this color to a different color, not black, or you may need to change this one here to a different color and not black. Here I'm going to show you how you can do that simply by using an HTML code. And you copy it and paste, and I will leave it at the description of the of the video. So here what you do, first of all, go to the video, create your work like this, then go to the video, look for a code at the comment section. I will leave this code at the comment section, then copy this code here. Copy this code. This one font color. This one here means you add the text where you need it to be. For example, the first one, copy this, come to here, open here. If you need to change only how to, paste this code, this first code here, paste it there. Then the last one here, copy it, come and paste to the end of the word you need, or to the text, at the end of the text you need. For example, you need to highlight how to. Paste it there. You'll find that you'll have only this to be highlighted. So if you need to change this, for example, you have your colors of this kind here. For example, you need to use this. Just copy now your color. Go to your page. Look where there is this. Start with hash. Copy from hash to the next. Then you paste it there. It will change the color. So as simple as that. In addition, for example, you now need to color this one here. Change text color. You need to change the color to this. This works. Change it. Go back to the code. Copy your code from here. Copy it. Come. Paste. Start from color. From change. From change. Control V. Go back and copy this. Copy it. Come back. Change text color. Paste it after the word color. Paste it there. You'll find that change text color will be in different color and the rest will remain black. Hope this video helps you. In case you have issues, please comment down at the comment section. I will get back to you a new video showing you how to fix it. Thank you so much.